Hi there, this is Simarjit Kaur, an educator with an academy. Don't worry, today I'm not here to teach you any concept from your syllabus, but rather to share a just small tip which I feel is really important in our life and which I think these days we don't give it a thought to. So children, I think the image which you all are able to see right now might have helped you to recall your childhood memories. Yes, as a child, we all have heard of the story at some or the other point. And I think like me, you also might have been really impressed by this crow because this crow children could make it to his goal. This crow who was in a hunt of water could fetch water finally, of course, by doing a particular job. But children, as a child, did we give it a thought about the approach that he chose? Now in front of you I have one more image that I think gives you another approach that gets another approach to your mind. Children, if you can see the particular image which is there in front of you, where a crow is using a straw to have water. Of course children, I know the crow was not that smart enough to go for that at that particular point of time, but yes children, we all can. So today basically I'm here to help you understand a very minute difference between smart work and hard work. Firstly children, I am not here to, I can say, support your smart work and can say that okay, hard work is really bad and don't do that. And I'm not saying that give up hard work and go for shortcuts and you will be able to achieve your goal. No children, first of all what I want to tell you is smart work is not going for shortcuts, but rather children, smart work is going for the approaches which are more effective and efficient for getting your goals. So when you talk about smart work, what I want to tell you all is children, always whenever you have a task in front of you, I'm not saying children the task has to be something really big like passing your board exams with good marks or getting a big job or something like that. Children, even small minute tasks that we have like your household chores that we have around us, children, for everything, for every task that you want to complete, for every goal, small goal that you have in your mind, children, what I always say that whenever you have goals in your mind, no, one thing you have to keep in mind clear is the approach is more important than the goal. I always say that don't think about the result, first think about the way that you're taking to reach to that particular result. Because children, when you talk about smart work, it is a kind of approach children which will help you to reach to your goal. And I'm telling you children, yes, it will make sure that you will achieve your goal, but in much more efficient way. Like you can see the image right in front of you, both the person will be of course able to put the particular luggage at a particular place wherever they want. But I hope you understand children, the situation of the two persons are really different. So now you decide which situation you want to be in. So I always say that whenever you have something in front of you, whichever task, whichever problem, always think about an approach which is more important. Okay, and believe me, you will be able to get your goal in a better way. So don't just think of getting the goal, uh, you know don't just think of reaching to a particular place, but also think what way are you choosing. Because I think then children, you will be able to decide on which side you want to be. Are you going to be on the side of hard work where you may get your goal, but how exactly you're getting it, that children, you just have to slog a lot for that, and then you may or may not reach to that particular part. And when you talk about smart work, I'm sure you'll reach over there and in an efficient way where you are not slogging and not, I can say, struggling to achieve that, because the approach that you have chosen for yourself is correct. So I think you're wise enough to decide now which side you want to be in. And always whenever you have something in front of you, remember the term approach. Right approach will help you to reach at the right place on right time. So with this, I stop it here. Stay tuned to an academy channel so that we can be together for more such videos. Thank you for bearing me for this much time and listening to my video. Bye bye.